What's good, everybody? Instructify here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get an auto clicker for Roblox clicking games. First, you want to make sure that you're on a Windows PC. Second, you want to press on the Windows button. Then you want to go to Microsoft Store. If it's not pinned right here, you want to go to All Apps and then you want to find it right here. So go to Microsoft Store. In here, search for auto clicker. Get the OP auto clicker. As you guys can see, I have this app already installed, but you guys might want to click on install and then wait for it to install. And then after it's installed, it's gonna say open right here. So all you have to do is click on it. After you have pressed open, it's gonna take you to this window right here. All you want to do is keep it to the side and go ahead and open Roblox like this. Then go to search for any clicker game. Let's say we get on this one. Now wait for the game to load. And then after the game have loaded, all you want to do is press here, start F6. As you guys can see, the auto clicker has been enabled. If you guys want to stop it and don't want to pull up the auto clicker app, all you guys have to do is press F6 and it'll stop it right here. Also, if you guys want to change the speed of the auto clicker, you guys can come over right here and change the milliseconds right here. So if you put it as 1, it's going to click every 1 millisecond. As you guys can see, the auto clicker just got faster. Also, the auto clicker works slower the more numbers you put right here. So if this video helped you guys out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.